Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to improve the output quality of your videos on Alight Motion. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Alight Motion application on your device, and once you open it up, you can open any of your old projects or create a new one by tapping on the plus icon. Now, if you wish to improve the output quality of your videos, then while creating your project, you will need to make sure that the highest quality is selected. Within the resolution option, make sure to choose the highest option depending on your device capabilities. You will need to select at least 1080p or the FHD option to ensure a high quality video. Also, within the frame rate section, make sure to choose 60 FPS if your device has this option. Otherwise, make sure that this option is set to the highest. Once you make sure that these two options are set, you can proceed with creating your project and your output will be within the highest quality. If you already have a project that you want to set so that the video output is of the highest quality, then you can open up this project and then simply tap on the gear icon at the top right. You can now once again choose the highest resolution as well as the highest frame rate that is available depending upon your device specifications. Once you choose these settings, you can proceed with exporting your video, and now this will make sure that the export is in the highest quality. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to improve the quality of your videos on Alight Motion. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.